here's a plane. I want to find parameter as part of it that's inside there. So I just need a couple pictures. So I'm just going to draw. I'm going to draw 3 pictures because I think I might need 3 pictures. So what do I have? Y equals x plus 3. That shouldn't be too bad to do because if x equals 0, y equals 3. Y equals 0, x equals negative 3. So it's just going to be the plane that goes kind of like that and just goes up. Oh, that's a horrible drawing. It just kind of goes up through that line. In other words, a better picture is yx. It's just a plane that comes out and in from there. Well, I can also draw the cylinder, and the cylinder is going to be made up of circles in the yz direction, and then x can be anything it wants. So, boom, it's going to look like a cylinder that goes in that direction. So what's happening is this is going to come down and slice through there. And when I slice through there, I'm going to end up with a boundary that looks kind of like an elliptical thing. So if I were to set this up, I would get some sort of a cylinder that looks like that. And I need, because here's where the plane cuts it, I need to figure out what this region is. This is the part of the plane that lies inside the cylinder. So the part of this plane that lies inside there is right there. Well, I noticed first of all that something is circular here. And it's circular, there's a big circularity thing between the x's and y, or the y's and the z's. So I'm going to turn those into circle type things by doing u cosine v for y and u sine v for z. If that's the case, then these are definitely going to be circles. And so that's going to go from u equals 0 to u equals 1, and v equals 0 to v equals 2 pi. How do I know that those are the right things to do? Well, if I look at all the different yz values I need for this, I notice that I'm going to, if I shine a light and try to project this onto the yz plane, I'm going to get a circle. So if I shine a flashlight down this way, let's make it yellow so it looks like a flashlight. If I shine a flashlight down that way, it's going to fill up, let's make it, the shadow is going to be exactly the circle. But this is happening in this direction. So this is really the y and the z is going to be the shadow, and that's just a circle. So I need to get everything within that circle. And once I have that, I just notice that x is equal to y minus 3. So I can just take the y value, u cosine v, subtract 3 from it, and I'm done. And that will give me this region right here, and I'm happy. Bye-bye.